Hello po. So we're making the sugar cookie or honeycomb cookie from Squid Game. Except we don't really have baking powder right now, so we use baking soda. Since I don't know much about this, it's just my first attempt lang po. So we'll try.
Ayan.
Third attempt actually.
What's the first?
So first
Ano mo
is
tapon dito?
you
Yeah.
put sugar.
Sugar muna.
I don't know how much it's good, but like you can just put like sugar. It doesn't have to be that much.
Okay.
I'm just gonna add this. Where will we get this? Okay, I think that's enough sugar. So we get this and we spread it around the pan. Now we turn on the heat, but it sometimes takes a long time. So don't put it too much because or else it's gonna burn. You just gotta put it on a low heat and wait until it browns. Usually that takes not that long, but this is the amount of thing you want your cookie. So after that, after we like, you gotta keep mixing it, by the way. You gotta keep shaking it so it's all even and it won't burn. After that, we add baking soda just a little bit, and then we put it onto this oil surface and press it onto this with a circular cutter shape like this. We're gonna use this side because it's a circle. So we're waiting for this to cook, and then we press it onto that. And since we don't have the metal copper, at least we have this. You remember to oil the metal press that you're going to use, so that's good. So